Hi everyone, welcome to the purchase order options guide. In this little guide, we're going to walk through some of the options that you have for your purchase order. So I have a PO, a saved PO open here, and if I click on options, I can see some of the options available to me. So I can actually release the PO, which actually prepares it for receiving. So once you release a PO, you can actually create an ASN on it and begin receiving it. Until you release it, you can't create an ASN on it. So that's just something to keep in mind. The difference between a released PO and an open PO, as you see here, open is basically like a draft stage for a purchase order. So essentially means that you can still edit quantities, add SKUs, and so forth. But once you release it, the PO has been finalized and you've actually sent it to the vendor and you're preparing for receiving it now. Voiding the PO actually deletes the PO entirely from the system. So that would just mean clicking OK here. So that would permanently delete the PO from the system. You can only void open or released POs. And if there's an ASN linked to the PO, you won't be able to void it. Canceling the PO is just basically if your vendor were to cancel the order or your manufacturer doesn't deliver it on time, you can basically cancel the PO and give a reason for the cancellation. Another option is closing the POs. Closing the PO is more in the nature of if you've received the PO in full or you've partially received it and you're not going to be receiving any more goods on it, then you're going to want to close it out. So a closed PO just means that there's going to be no more action taking place on it. Show ASNs basically shows all active ASNs on the PO. You can record a prepayment. You can show any prepayments on this PO, including linked prepayment amounts as well. And of course, you always have the option to email and print the PO as well.